Okay, it looks like I am live, people. Let's see. All right, let me save this. We are live. Let's go back to my Zoom. And I should be sharing my screen. That's okay. It looks like I am live, people. Let's see. At least I'm not getting the echo. That's good. Okay, let me save this. You see my we are live. Let's go back to my Zoom. And I should be sharing my screen. That's okay. It's like I am live. Let's see. At least I'm not getting that echo. That's good. Okay, let me save this. You see my we are live. Let's go back to my Zoom. And I should be sharing my screen. Yeah, I'm getting that echo. All right, let's see. Off the screen. Oh, I need to pause this. That's mute. All right, so technically, I don't think I'm muted. I don't think I'm muted. All right, guys, lots of things to figure out about this podcast. One is you got to figure out the sound deal. I have to cut off I think I have to cut my speakers off so I'm not playing my echo. No, when you do a Zoom, you don't have to do that. Anyway, I have to figure it out. All right, so we got to figure out the sound. Okay, when I get to 10, I will have this down. But this is technically speaking. Look, any IT questions, I am good with. This is in the podcasting business, so I'm learning that as I fly this thing. So sound we work on, and I'm trying to get my picture to work so I can show you my screen at the same time. You still see my face on my screen and not my what's the name? Just my green screen. So anyway, work in progress. We'll get there. Let's see. How do I know what I'm sharing? All I see is my green screen right now. So now I need to go back to my Zoom. Go back to my Zoom meeting. Okay, got it. Back to my Zoom meeting, and then I'm going to, my mic is on. So yeah, if I have it playing there, then it would be making noise there. So I don't need to turn my mic off. I need to back to my Zoom. Oh, no. That's right. I need to turn the speaker off, not the mic. Okay, so that's perfect. I know it's recording. I just have to trust the process. All right, so let's go back to, this is what I want to do this time. I want to share my screen more. Hopefully, I share something I don't want to. Let's see, I may have to make this bigger. I got to be careful about that. One thing I'm learning about, there's a lot of copyrighted stuff that you have to protect. And so in a click, you can put something up on a screen security-wise, but you don't want to. So you don't constantly have to scan, make sure you don't have any copyrighted material showing. So just giving you guys what I've heard so far about going live and the algorithms that pick up copyrighted material, and then that's when you get banned. And I got one song that was playing in the background, and it said, yes, you did get a copyright warning, and it says you agree to that warning. not a warning, but a policy that says it doesn't show everywhere, only places that pay for it. So anyway, that's another. So basically copyright editing, basically, you got to edit that out. So even though this is live now, when I save it, when it gets uploaded to YouTube, before I upload it to YouTube, I have to edit it, clean out all the copyright information, and boom. I mean, the key is to try to keep it simple as possible. So that's the plan. So I can kind of not get tied down with all the minutia. I can just focus on the support. So, all right, let's see. So I'll be doing this live for, I'll just pick times, mostly in the morning, early morning, when people need support from the weekend. Or early, working on projects, that kind of thing. So I think I'm gonna start doing this early, from, I don't know, 7 to 9, beat the rush before people start to get locked into work. So basically, any questions from Outlook to setting up a router server, I would be light on the podcasting biz. You learn a lot as you go through. I've learned a lot, but yeah, not even close to an expert on it yet. It's going to be fun to see down the road what it looks like. But you always pick up stuff quickly anyway in life. The more you do it, the quicker you pick it up. So it's going to be interesting to see 6 months from now, all the little tricks and gadgets and plugins and all that kind of stuff that you run across. So looking forward to that. But anyway, tech support, any kind of tech support, any kind of if you building your own rig, you're trying to build a gaming machine. I mean, people spend all kinds of money on gaming machines, so you can spend, $1,000 or I wonder if that mic is on. That mic is on. $1,000, or you can spend, $1,500. So it all depends on what you're trying to build. There are some low-end game machines too, but basically it's just a chip. So, yeah. So anyway, any questions, anything like that? Just call my cell 404-277-0733. You can, I'm 24/7 tech, so you can call me anytime. This is just to get my local service out in the ether as well. So if people in Atlanta, Metro Atlanta, looking for any kind of support, just give me a buzz. Setting up a new office, upgrading your infrastructure from cameras to access points to, data management, all that. So anyway, let's see. So basically, I think that was, I'm trying to keep these down to like 10 minutes so I can, I didn't have my clock started, but anyway, it should show on the YouTube side. Just small clips letting people know, hey, I'm live, I'm here. Yeah, it doesn't say, but anyway, I will have to start logging that. Oh, there it is, 9 minutes ago. Okay, so yeah, that's perfect, around 10 minutes. Anyway, Philip Branch, Computer Help Services, Metro Atlanta. Give me a buzz if you have any questions, any kind of tech support. And then you'll see, you'll see my podcast come up, as it develops. Right now you just have my green screen, which is my virtual screen, which is my Zoom, which I talk to all my clients on anyway, unless I'm physically on site. So basically this is my green screen you see, and I will pop my camera out every now and then, see if it picks up. Does it show me on here? It will in a minute. So if I go back to my Zoom meeting, I should be on there. Yeah. Okay. Yep. I'm here. I need to adjust my camera and everything. Okay. So anyway, let's see. So that's about 10 minutes. So I think we're about done for today. If you have any questions, any IT stuff, just give me a buzz. And I am going to, at least I don't have any copywriting editing to do. I don't think I showed anything. That's one of the biggest things, because let me see if I can share my screen real quick, because this is normally what I'll do. I'll say, okay, or I could share my whole screen or share my browser. It may be better just to share my browser. Not really, because people want to, that may not be a bad idea, just to share my browser. Because my browser, what is that? What is that? Oh, that's what I'm sharing. Okay, that's what I'm sharing. And that's me up at the top. And if I take this off, okay. So what I'm trying to do, and if somebody sees this, please drop a note. I think chat does work. I would love to figure out, and I'm Googling it now. I'm doing the AI chat to find out a solution for, I want to make this, and you can see, can you see that? No, you can't see that. All right, I'm gonna have to switch to share. I'm gonna switch to share. I have to change the share. I think I may just have to stop it. Okay, I'm gonna stop the share, go back and share it again, but I'm gonna share my whole screen. Okay, so now, I don't think I have any copyrighted stuff I gotta worry about. So that's the only thing with sharing the whole screen. You got copyright stuff you gotta worry about. All right, so I'm sharing my screen. I'm looking at, it's doing a little. All right, so I have that on mute, so I'm kind of echoing. I'm dying to hear what the sound is gonna do. But I'm sharing my screen and it's delayed. That's right. But I don't necessarily want to see that. Let's see if I can minimize this and just see this. No, I don't need that. So this is what you're seeing is, okay, I'm live there. So I'll see myself live here. But the screen sharing's got a delay. I gotta figure that out. Yeah. All right. I'll figure that out, guys. Stop share. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. All right, so that means I have to when I go live, if I share screen, I want to see it right here. Hold on, I'm live right now, Joel. Hold on. I'm live right now. Hold on 1 second. Let me stop this. Let's see. Okay, here we go. And